Hi, this is Will from Trenchless Pipelining. We're at 5240 Northeast 29th Street in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Right ahead is the turn to go into the main line from the master bathroom. We're at 12 feet here. We're gonna start pulling back.
Blue tape, some tape.
The blue tape will just dissipate after a while. That's something tangled, huh? I was wondering why it was different. Oh, man. And right here is where the end of the liner is, and then there's right there is your connection for your tub and sinks. Again, this is William from Trenchless Pipelining, and we are at 5240 Northeast 29th Street in Fort Lauderdale, Florida.